Hello students, hello teachers, hello everyone. My name is Dara K. Fulton. I am the founder and ESL teacher to Applied ESL. I have some great news to share with you. I am happy to now show you the Applied ESL Life Skills Student Workbook. So this workbook took me over a year to create, and I'm so happy that it's published and it's available on Amazon as well as Amazon Kindle, which means you can buy the book like this, or you can order it on Kindle and you can read it on your phone. But Teacher Dora loves books, so I had to buy my own copy. I'm so happy to be able to do a little review of this workbook to show you what it looks like on the inside. So let's get started. This is the front cover of my logo, the name of the book, and my name, Dara K. Fulton. It will give you a little description of the purpose of this workbook, and this is a little bio or biography of who Teacher Dora is. Purpose of the workbook, the copyright, which is very important. Copyright means that when you create something, it is yours. Nobody can take it from you, and if they try, you can bring them to court because it's not good to steal people's work. And this is me. This is me. As you see, Teacher Dora likes to wear many different hairstyles. We're going to see the following. You're going to see a table of contents. At the very top, these are the preview lessons, which are pretty short. These are just the basic things that we learn in English. The alphabet, numbers, days of the week, months of the year, seasons, and colors. And then from 1 to 18, you will see the units of this book. These are the topics that will be covered in this workbook. And at the very bottom, you're going to see the appendix. This just means that in the back of the book, these are the answers to all the exercises in this book, definitions to all vocabulary words, as well as grammar points. And I should say now that all the pictures in this book I took myself. At the end of each lesson, you're going to see Dora Says. And Dora Says is just basically tips and some advice to help you continue to practice what you've learned. So in each lesson, you will see a Dora Says where I give either a confidence tip, how you can use the language, or tips on using the language in your daily life. We also talk about how to find a job. This is Unit 2. Why am I so excited? Because I am happy to be able to share this workbook with you. This workbook is based on lessons that I will be giving to students one-on-one or in group lessons. So if you're interested in working with me, please check out my website and join the Applied ESL family. When you join my email list, you will get weekly lessons in your inbox, as well as a free student workbook, which is a little introduction to this workbook. If you decide you want to work with me one-to-one, and I hope so because I would love to be your teacher, this will be an opportunity for us to work together on some of these topics in the workbook, as well as topics and things that you are interested in. So feel free to contact me and let me know if you would like to work with me one-to-one. I am working on video lessons that will accompany the lessons in this workbook, so my friends can both read and watch these lessons. thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for just being here. I really appreciate this. This is a dream come true. For my teachers out there, please check out my workbook as well so it can help your students in practicing their English. This workbook is of no particular English level. However, it gears more towards the beginner and intermediate. So for my advanced students, yes, this could be a good reference for you because sometimes we forget the basics. But if you are a beginner student or an intermediate level student, this workbook will be very helpful to you. So definitely check it out. I will leave all the information under this video for your convenience. Thank you so very much, everyone who has shown me love and support during this time. I am very proud of this accomplishment, and I promise you there are more good things to come. Always try your best, and when you try your best, you do your best. Have a great day, everyone.